There are hidden buttons, secret modes, and genius features in your car that you've never been told about. And some of them could literally save your life, slash your fuel bill, or just blow your mind. What if we told you that your car might already have heated wipers, panic mode, or hidden diagnostics, but no one showed you where to look? These are 15 secret car features mechanics, dealerships, and even the manual conveniently forget to mention. And once you discover them, you'll never drive the same way again. Stay locked in, because feature number 11 might actually change how you survive a crash. Section 1. Hidden fuel tank arrow, gas flap indicator. Let's kick off with a simple one almost no one notices, the fuel flap arrow. Ever pulled into a gas station and had to peek out the window to remember which side your gas cap is on? Most modern cars, from Ford to Toyota to BMW, have a tiny arrow next to the fuel icon on the dashboard. It points to the side your fuel tank is on. It's such a small design, yet saves millions from awkward repositioning. Psychologically, once you know this trick, you'll feel smarter and instantly connected to your car's design language. Section 2. Auto up windows with your key fob. In many vehicles, holding the lock button on your key fob not only locks the car, it rolls up all the windows. This is useful if you forgot the windows down but already left the car. Some models even let you roll down all windows and open the sunroof by holding the unlock button, a quick way to cool the cabin before entering. You won't find this in the owner's manual. It's something you try once and never forget. Section 3. Panic brake assist. Your car may help you brake in an emergency, even if you don't know how to react. If you suddenly slam the brake pedal hard, the system senses panic. It increases braking pressure faster than you can, potentially saving critical feet of stopping distance. This feature, known as brake assist, has been standard in many cars since the early 2000s. Most drivers don't realize this built-in guardian angel exists until it kicks in during a close call. Section 4. Hidden storage compartments. From under-seat drawers to glove box coolers and hidden trunk pockets, automakers are clever about storage. Examples: Jeep Grand Cherokee has underfloor cargo trays. Honda CR-V features secret trunk bins. BMW 3 Series has a pop-out tray near the dashboard edge. Once you find them, it's like unlocking secret levels in a game. Great for tools, emergency kits, or snacks. Section 5. Turn signal tap, lane change assist. In most newer vehicles, you can lightly tap the turn signal stalk and it blinks 3 times, then stops. This is perfect for quick lane changes without fully locking the signal. Pro tip: this feature can be adjusted in some vehicles 3, 5, or 7 flashes using the onboard computer settings. Section 6. Automatic hill hold assist. Ever stop on a hill and worry about rolling back? Many cars, especially manuals or hybrids, feature hill hold assist. When you brake fully and release, the system holds the brakes for 1 to 3 seconds, giving you time to move your foot to the gas. It's one of the most underappreciated safety hacks, especially if you drive in hilly cities like San Francisco or Pittsburgh. Section 7. Adaptive headlights that look around corners. High-end cars, and even some mid-range ones, offer adaptive headlights. These rotate slightly when you turn the steering wheel, illuminating your path around curves and driveways.
Your headlights toward
it's
the direction
subtle,
you're turning,
but once you experience it at night, you'll never want static headlights again. Manufacturers like Mazda, Audi, and Subaru all offer this, often under names like Curve Adaptive Lighting. Section 8. Built-in cabin air ionizers. Luxury brands like Mercedes-Benz, Genesis, and Lexus include cabin ionizers. These release negative ions to purify the air, eliminate odors, and reduce allergens, creating a more relaxing and healthy driving environment. You may not even know it's working, but the air smells cleaner, the cabin feels fresher, and your body subtly relaxes. It's a spa day on wheels. Section 9. Rear cross traffic alert. Invisible eyes. Backing out of a parking space is dangerous, especially with tall SUVs or tinted glass. Rear cross traffic alert uses radar to detect approaching vehicles, bikes, or even pedestrians from the side, well before you can see them. It's like having eyes in the back of your head, and it's saved thousands of fender benders since being introduced. Check your settings. Many drivers don't even realize this feature is turned off by default. Section 10. Sun visor extension panels. You know when the sun hits you just between the windshield and the A-pillar? Annoying, right? Some sun visors slide out or have built-in extensions to block this gap. Others, like in some Toyotas and Hyundais, detach and pivot to the side. Once you use it, you'll feel instant relief, and you'll wonder why every car doesn't have it. Section 11. Crash responsive fuel cutoff. This feature might literally save your life. In the event of a serious collision, many modern vehicles automatically cut off fuel supply to prevent fire. This is managed by a crash sensor or inertia switch. It's triggered when impact exceeds a threshold, usually during frontal or rear-end crashes. Drivers never see it happen, but emergency responders count on it. Section 12. Auto-dimming mirrors. Ever been blinded at night by headlights from behind? Many vehicles have electrochromic rearview mirrors that automatically darken to reduce glare. Look for a button on the mirror with a light, or a green LED indicating the feature is active. Bonus, some side mirrors on luxury cars dim too. It's a small luxury that makes long nighttime drives dramatically safer. Section 13. Speed-sensitive volume control, SSVC. As your speed increases, so does road noise. SSVC adjusts your radio or media volume automatically, matching the speed. It keeps sound consistent without constant fiddling. You'll find it in Ford, GM, Toyota, and many others, usually under audio or vehicle settings. Once enabled, you forget it's there, until you drive a car without it. Section 14. Hidden trip computer diagnostics. Hold certain buttons on your dashboard while turning the key or pressing start, and boom, you unlock a diagnostics menu. This hidden feature displays battery voltage, RPMs, digital speed readouts, sensor statuses. Search your car model plus hidden diagnostic mode, and you'll find specific sequences. It's like having a mini scan tool built into the dashboard. Section 15. Auto-folding mirrors when you lock. Ever walk away wondering if you locked your car? Here's a visual clue. On many vehicles, the side mirrors auto-fold when the car is locked. It's not just cosmetic. It protects your mirrors from parking lot damage and confirms your vehicle is secure. You can often enable this feature through vehicle settings or with aftermarket programming. There you have it. 15 secret car features you probably never knew existed. Some can save your life. Others make driving smoother, smarter, and simply more fun. Here's the real question. How many of these does your car already have? And how many have you just unlocked for the first time? Tell us in the comments, which feature blew your mind the most? Was it the hidden diagnostics, the auto-fold mirrors, or the fuel cutoff system that could one day save your life? And if you've got a car hack or hidden trick we didn't mention, drop it below, because this community learns from each other. Like, share, and subscribe for more insider tips that make you the smartest driver on the road. Remember, the more you know your car, the better it treats you back. Drive smart, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.